Hello everyone, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the CapCut error code 360101001. The error reads, "Couldn't pay. Try another payment method or contact our customer support." As the error message suggests, this is a payment-related error that doesn't let the users complete their purchase. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but as per our experience, these kinds of errors may come if there was any glitch during the payment, or there is some issue with your payment method. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try making your purchase again. In case you're trying to make the purchase using a saved card, then consider removing and re-adding the card and try again. If you still see the error, then we recommend you to try any other payment method, as the error suggests. In case you don't have access to any other card or payment method, or you tried using the other payment method but still received the error, then you should reach out to CapCut support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.